The benefits of implementing Agile are numerous and varied. For example, Agile might be the right approach for your business if your goal is increased employee satisfaction and engagement, which also leads to increased productivity and retention.
Or maybe you're obsessing over increased customer satisfaction, which you can achieve with a focus on delivering value. You might also be targeting continuous improvement and enhanced innovation.
Those are great examples, Brian, but let's not forget about better risk management and greater adaptability and flexibility. Or, my personal favorite, allowing the ingenuity and creativity of every person in the organization to flourish while maintaining a sustainable working pace.
That pairs nicely with my favorite benefits, Jessica. Continuous learning and adaptability while constantly delivering value to customers. And maybe one other. Let's be honest, executives applaud how Agile enables more predictable delivery of customer value while adapting to changing priorities.